With over 600 different types of mints, it's no wonder it's so readily used as a flavoring in many of our dishes and drinks. Now, I bet as most gardeners, we've just begun to scratch the surface of what type of mint we grow in the garden. This here is an apple mint, which has the flavor of apple in it. It makes a really nice addition to whether it's ice water or chopped over a fresh salad or even fresh fruit. Now you can see the leaves of the apple mint are a little bit more ruffled and have some hair on them. And so for this reason, sometimes it's called the fuzzy mint or the woolly mint. Another mint that is fruity also and related to the apple mint is the pineapple mint. You can see here it has a very similar rough textured leaf as the apple mint, and that's because it is a cultivar of the apple mint. You can see the pineapple mint has a nice yellow or cream colored variegation to it on the margins of the leaves. And if you do see it reverting back to the true green leaf, you want to go ahead and pinch that out, because what that is doing is it's reverting back to the apple mint. So in order to maintain the true pineapple mint, take out anything that might be pure green leaves like that. Pineapple mint is also a nice addition to any adult drink that you might not have that famous mojito mint to add into. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit sweeter, you might try a cotton candy mint or our delicious chocolate mint for a nice dessert. Now, with so many different mints, you've got to keep in mind that they can be a garden bully. They are a perennial, so they'll come back every year, but they tend to be aggressive, especially in moist soils. So you want to make sure to probably plant them in a container, or plant them in a container, but leave about a 1-inch lip exposed up out of the soil. That way it can look like it's in the garden, but it can control it a little bit better. Also, if you're planting more than one type of mint, make sure to put them at opposite ends of the garden, because they can easily cross-pollinate, and over time you can lose the integrity of the flavor and the aroma. With so many different mints to choose from, it's easy to customize for your garden as well as your cooking.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.